26 feet in total length, half-ton towable, dual axle, and has a slide out. Too good to be true? Not necessarily. Welcome to HB RV Lifestyle. They call me the Honey Badger because I give it to you straight and transparent about the RV business. This is the 2025 Forest River Flagstaff MicroLite 25 dBH. And try saying that 3 times fast. This travel trailer is less than 26 feet in total length, half-ton towable, and has a decent size slide out. Now, if this is the first time you have seen one of my videos, I do about an 8 to 10 minute walkthrough of the entire travel trailer and talk about it without any special effects, sound effects, or weird editing. So let's get started. You got your power tongue jack, 2 propane tanks, an area for 2 group of 24 12-volt batteries. It does have electric stabilizers, both front and back, that run on the battery. They're not auto level. There's a lot of salespeople out there that call this an auto leveling system. These are stabilizers. That's normal on a travel trailer, okay? So you hold a button down and it actually comes down like scissor jacks, because that's literally what they are, okay? Coming over to the weight sticker. The GVWR is 7,580 pounds with 2 3,500-pound axles. We're gonna come down here, and as you can tell, sorry about the little wiggleness there, 25 feet, 10 inches total length. So it's less than 26 feet, and dry weight is 5,574 pounds. So well within a half-ton towable truck, or even some of the larger SUVs can tow this travel trailer. Frameless windows, you got your slide topper. Let's see if this is unlocked. Nope, but there's storage under there. That's the dinette. Coming around, it is a bunk model with access to storage where you can actually lift the bunk bed and store stuff there while you travel. 30 amp service, 15,000 BTU air conditioner. Big power awning. As you can tell, the awning almost covers the entire length of the travel trailer. You also have an area to put the little grill top right here. In fact, those accessories are always put in the what? The big wide underbelly. This is one of Rockwood and Flagstaff's best features, is they give you a nice wide underbelly pass-through storage. That's the table that slides on that rail, along with the gas grill. Now, let's go inside. In the master bedroom, you have a full residential size walk-around queen bed, closet space on both sides for hangables. No offense, husbands, but your spouses are probably going to take both closets. Drawers on each side. Now, I'm only going to open up a few of the cabinets here just to keep time compressed. I don't want to make this run into like the 20-minute mark because you'll probably get bored. By the way, if you enjoy my walkthrough videos, please make sure you hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Over in the back corner, we're going to zoom in. Whoa, you got your charging stations, zoom out a little bit, and you have some storage back there for your devices like your tablets, maybe some books, things of that nature. So a lot of flexibility there. Okay, we're going to zoom all the way out. Here you have an area to put a TV for strictly the bedroom. All your hookups are in place. You also can add a fantastic fan there. So if you want more air quality, or I should say circulated air, you can always add a fantastic fan there. Okay, but as you can tell, the AC is ducted all the way into the bedroom with 4 ducts. So that's pretty cool. Now, coming over into the kitchen and the living room area, you have your U-shaped dinette that also turns into a bed. You got your bunk beds, residential style 12-volt refrigerator. And then you have your flat screen TV, 3-burner stove, 1-piece sink, and lots of counter space. What's really cool about having the bathroom in the back is if someone is sleeping in the bunk beds and they have to use the restroom, they can simply climb off the bunk and go into the bathroom without disturbing whoever's sleeping in the main bed. Now, with a smaller trailer comes a smaller bathroom, but there's still some decent chicken wing space around the toilet. The shower is decent sized, and they give you a nice big linen closet for your sheets, your towels. Maybe you're going to use it for extra like dry goods. Like for example, maybe you'll store some cereal in there or something you're not afraid of being in the bathroom that you use later. You also have storage underneath the sink, plenty of counter space, nice size sink inside the bathroom, and a medicine cabinet. Now, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section. Also, you can contact me on social media. I have my Twitter and my Instagram and my Facebook linked in the description box below, as well as my email. And in the top right-hand corner of this video, you're gonna see another really nice small bunkhouse travel trailer that I think you're really gonna enjoy. Just remember, folks, RV stands for what? Toolkit and sense of humor.